The building blocks of life: understanding nutrition and diet. Nutrition is the science of food and how it affects our bodies. It encompasses the nutrients we get from food and how our bodies use them for energy, growth, and repair. Our diet, on the other hand, refers to the foods we consume regularly. It's about making conscious choices about what we eat and how it impacts our overall health and well-being. Imagine our bodies as intricate machines, constantly working to keep us alive and functioning. Just like a car needs the right type of fuel to run smoothly, our bodies require a balanced and nutritious diet to perform at their best. Without proper nutrition, our bodies are like cars running on fumes, struggling to function optimally. Every food we consume contains a unique blend of nutrients, each playing a specific role in maintaining our health. Carbohydrates provide us with energy, proteins build and repair tissues, fats help absorb vitamins and insulate organs, while vitamins and minerals regulate various bodily functions. When we consume a variety of nutrient-rich foods, we provide our bodies with the essential building blocks they need to thrive. However, not all foods are created equal. Some foods, while tempting and enjoyable, offer little nutritional value and can even be detrimental to our health if consumed in excess. These often include highly processed foods, sugary drinks, and unhealthy fats, which can contribute to various health problems. The power of nutrition, fueling your health. A well-balanced diet is the cornerstone of good health. It provides the necessary nutrients for our bodies to function correctly, supports a healthy immune system, and helps prevent chronic diseases. When we consistently nourish our bodies with wholesome foods, we invest in our long-term health and well-being. For instance, a diet rich in fruits and vegetables provides essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that protect our cells from damage, boosting our immune system and reducing the risk of chronic diseases like heart disease, stroke, type 2 diabetes, and some types of cancer. On the other hand, a diet lacking in these nutrients can weaken our defenses, making us more susceptible to illnesses. Moreover, proper nutrition plays a vital role in maintaining a healthy weight, which is crucial for overall health. Consuming a balanced diet that provides the right amount of calories and nutrients helps regulate our metabolism, control appetite, and prevent both underweight and overweight issues. Furthermore, nutrition affects our mental health and cognitive function. Studies have shown that a healthy diet is linked to improved mood, better sleep, and reduced risk of cognitive decline. Conversely, a diet high in processed foods and sugar has been associated with an increased risk of depression, anxiety, and cognitive impairment. Common dietary pitfalls. Recognizing unhealthy habits. In today's fast-paced world, maintaining a healthy diet can be challenging. Unhealthy eating habits often sneak into our lives, leading to nutritional deficiencies and health problems if left unchecked. Identifying these common dietary pitfalls is the first step toward making positive changes. One of the most prevalent dietary mistakes is consuming excessive amounts of processed foods. These foods, often laden with added sugars, unhealthy fats, sodium, and artificial ingredients, provide minimal nutritional value and contribute to various health issues, including weight gain, heart disease, and type 2 diabetes. Another common pitfall is skipping meals, particularly breakfast. Breakfast is often referred to as the most important meal of the day, as it kickstarts our metabolism and provides energy for the day ahead. Skipping breakfast can lead to overeating later in the day, contributing to weight gain and blood sugar imbalances. Furthermore, many people underestimate the importance of portion control. Even healthy foods, when consumed in excessive amounts, can contribute to weight gain and health problems. Over time, large portion sizes can desensitize us to our body's natural hunger and fullness cues, leading to overeating. Eating for wellness: practical tips for a healthier diet. Transitioning to a healthier diet doesn't require drastic changes overnight. Implementing small, sustainable changes can make a significant difference in the long run. Here are some practical tips to improve your diet. Start by focusing on incorporating more whole, unprocessed foods into your meals. These include fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. Aim for at least 5 servings of fruits and vegetables daily, choosing a variety of colors for a wider range of nutrients. Gradually reduce your intake of processed foods, sugary drinks, and unhealthy fats. Instead of completely eliminating them, focus on swapping them for healthier alternatives. For instance, choose water or unsweetened tea over sugary drinks, and opt for baked or grilled foods instead of fried options. Pay attention to your portion sizes and avoid eating until you feel overly full. Listen to your body's natural hunger and fullness cues and eat mindfully, savoring each bite. Eating slowly and without distractions can help you recognize when you're satisfied, preventing overeating.